Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hello, it's me, I'm Alin. Hello guys, right now we are here in Taipei Zoo to roam around to see beautiful animals. It's been my second time here guys. Last time I came here, I did not saw koala, panda, rhino, penguins, many because it's very long time guys. I came here for the first time, but now this is my second time. I saw beautiful animal. Guys, if you come here, you come here in the morning and you make it sure you will go home at the afternoon, maybe 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Because guys, this place is very huge. If you come here for a very short time, just like 2 hours or 3 hours, not enough guys to see beautiful animals and the beauty of the surroundings of the Taipei Zoo. So you come here at least for the whole day. You can relax here guys, unwind, see beautiful surroundings. Once in a while guys, you must relax yourself, so maybe Taipei Zoo is good. Hi guys, so many kids here doing their educational tour with their teachers. So guys, if in case you don't have foods to bring for lunch or for snacks, don't worry guys, this place in Taipei Zoo inside, they have so many stores. They cook lunch or snacks. They're selling foods for tourist people. So you just need to buy and you can sit down side by side and eat your lunch. And also guys, you can relax it here while your kids are playing around, and if your mom, if your daddy, your grandpa and grandma watching your kids, watching your granddaughter, grandson playing around, this place is good for them and you are fairly relaxed while seeing people walking. Guys, this place is in the middle of Taipei Zoo, so you can relax while for the next walking, for the next hours to walk. So guys, you just need to prepare. Hi guys, this is my first time seeing this kind of turtles. I forgot what's the name of this kind of turtles. They are fast walker than a normal turtles. Guys, what I like in Taipei Zoo guys is the infrastructure on every accommodation of the animals is very nice. For example guys, the birds, they are huge cage. For example, the camels, their accommodation, the area is very large. The elephant, their accommodation, their space, their area, very huge. So they can roam around. Just like guys, the orangutans, the small monkeys, their accommodation, their space is very nice.
妈从这里看过去四只。哇，他的妈妈出来了。对呀。他的妈妈让他们。他的爸爸妈妈生了2个小 baby。他们在疯狂。有啦，也嘛一只嘛，伫个动也嘛一只。迄黑猩猩就有够恶心的呢，后尾黑猩猩讲用手去碰，伊放出来屎啊，搁放喺嘴。哦，那边也有一个呢。啊，对呀，还有上面哦。2个、3个，那边一个黑的，那边一个黑的。 上面嘛，够一
Just like this place, guys. This place is for penguins. So these buildings or this area is for penguins. Very nice. The inside of the building is very cold. So you must came here with your jackets, with long sleeves, because inside is very cold. You see penguins there. So cute. So cute, the white bird roaming around inside the park. I take video. So cute. Guys, these lizards, a group of lizards, guys. So big. Yeah. So big, so many. I cannot count how many. Guys, this clipping is not included in my Taipei adventure, guys. After we roam around Taipei Zoo for the whole day and go home, we drop by in the Chinese restaurant and eat first our dinner. So I take a video. These fishes and shells and crabs inside aquariums. Guys, we ordered some crabs, fish and shells here. Hi guys, thank you for watching. See you in my another vlog. My next vlog. Thank you guys. Bye.